Full listing maintenance is now available in Paragon Connect. Now, wherever you are, you can add and edit listings, upload photos and documents, and more. Let's dive in. To start a listing, go to the hamburger menu and choose Listings. Paragon Connect refers to listings as published, meaning it's live, and unpublished, which is a partial or draft. Tap the Add button to choose if you want to use the CRS tax autofill or enter every field manually. As with Paragon Professional, CRX Tax Autofill will fill in several required fields, including the complete address, as well as sync your listing with the CRS Public Records database. Begin by choosing the state for the autofill. Similar to Paragon Professional, you need to enter the county and at least the street name or owner's last name to find the property. Click Search, and when the system finds the property, click Autofill, then choose the class. Once in listing maintenance, you'll find the tax fields available from CRS will be completed. Now you can start entering data. Required fields are denoted by an asterisk. In every field, you can type for options to appear and make the selection. For feature fields, where you can make multiple selections, you can type and make the selection, or click the drop-down for the full menu to appear. Make multiple selections and click Apply. You can also search the list. For fields with switches, purple indicates you have made that selection. Gray means it's not selected. An important note is there is no autosave, so make it a practice to save as you go. Tap the Save button and choose Save Unpublished to ensure you don't lose any of your work. Tap the three dots in the right corner to use the price analysis tool, add open houses and tours, upload documents and photos, and add Supra information. To add photos, tap Edit Photos, then click the Add button. This will open the Finder on your computer. If you're on your mobile device, you'll see a pop-up asking if you want to access your photo library, take a photo, or choose a file. That's right, photos can be uploaded directly from your phone. Once you have uploaded the photos, use the three dots in the top right corner to select all or reorder. When reordering, just drag and drop each photo into the correct order and click Save. You can select the photo to delete it or make edits. You can add labels, edit the photo, or replace it with a new one. Labels work just like they do in Paragon Professional, just make sure to save if you add any. With the editor, you can crop the photo and rotate it. If you want to point something out, you can add shapes or icons like arrows and the location symbol. Text can be added to photos, which can be helpful for situations where you've uploaded a facsimile or like image photo for new construction properties. Lastly, you can add filters. Make sure to save any changes. When you're finished working, click Save at the bottom. If the listing is ready to go, choose Publish. If it's still a draft, choose Save Unpublished. To edit listings, go to the hamburger menu and choose Listings. Tap Publish to edit a live listing or Unpublish to edit a draft. Select the listing and make your changes. Don't forget about the easy search box. Let's say you noticed a typo in your public remarks that you need to fix. Instead of scrolling and searching for that field, especially on smaller devices like your phone, tap the binoculars. Start typing the field and the template will adjust, showing you the fields based on what you typed. Make the change and save. You also have quick access to adding and editing listings from the homepage of Paragon Connect. Under Quick Actions, tap Edit Your Listings to edit a listing you've already saved. To enter a listing, tap Create a Listing. Note that through this way, you immediately choose the class and don't have the option for the tax autofill. Listing maintenance just got easier thanks to Paragon Connect. Try it out today. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please visit the Prime MLS Help Desk.